In this video, I'll show you how to send money internationally with Western Union and send funds to other countries. This step-by-step process can be completed online and works for sending money to bank accounts or for cash pickup, depending on what you choose. By the way, if you're a business owner, Western Union might not be the best solution for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Western Union website. Once the page loads, log into your Western Union account. If you don't already have an account, select the register option and create one using your email address and a password. After signing up, Western Union may send you a verification code by email or text to confirm your account. Once verified, you'll be taken to your main dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the Send Money option. You'll first be asked to choose the country you want to send money to. Select the destination country and continue. Next, enter the amount you want to send. As you type in the amount, Western Union will automatically show how much the receiver will get in their local currency. You'll also see the exchange rate, transfer fees, and estimated delivery time. Review these details carefully before moving forward. After that, choose how you want to pay for the transfer. Western Union usually offers options such as debit card, credit card, bank transfer, or other available methods depending on your location. Select the payment method that works best for you. Then choose how you want the money to be delivered, either directly to the receiver's bank account or as cash pickup at a Western Union location. Once both options are selected, continue. Now you'll need to select or add a receiver. If the receiver is already saved in your account, you can choose them from the list. If not, add a new receiver by entering their full name and any required details, such as phone number or bank information, depending on the delivery method. Review all the receiver information to make sure it's correct. Next, Western Union will ask you to review the entire transfer, including the amount, fees, exchange rate, delivery method, and receiver details. You may also be asked to select the purpose of the transfer, such as family support or personal use. Once everything looks good, continue to the payment step. Finally, confirm your payment details and complete any security verification required by your bank or card provider. Once confirmed, your international transfer will be processed, and the money will be sent to the selected country through Western Union. Western Union is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Western Union offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.